Bellybees.
One little monkey swinging from a tree, two tall giraffes saying look at me, three stripy zebras running in a line. Count with the animals, 1, 2, 3, it's time. Let's count, count, count at the zoo today. With animal friends we learn and play. Clap your hands and count some more. Numbers are fun, 1, 2, 4.
4 big elephants stomping on the ground. 5 happy penguins waddling all around. 6 cheeky parrots flying up high. Counting at the zoo, let's give it a try.
Let's count, 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 nice and slow. Watch the animals as numbers grow. Jump and wiggle, shout hooray. Counting makes learning fun each day.
7 sleepy lions resting in the sun. 8 hopping kangaroos having lots of fun. 9 splashy seals playing by the shore. Can you count with me? Let's count once more.
10 little animals say you did great. Counting to 10 we celebrate. Wave goodbye as the numbers end. See you next time, counting friend.